Hey everybody, Taylor here with Hope Public Adjusters. Now that we are halfway through March, wanted to provide some more information on what goes into our commercial roof system webinars and what's covered. We've had a lot more contractors join our community and our networking pipeline, so we wanted to provide more information on what these webinars look like and what you guys can expect if you are able to attend. So overall, our goal with these webinars is to be able to teach the fundamentals of the most frequently seen commercial roof systems and overall how to assess damage within them. So really trying to provide not only contractors but professionally related individuals within the industry with the tools and skills that are necessary to acquisition larger projects. So if you guys are let's say you're currently in the residential roofing space, but you're trying to get into the commercial roofing space, but you're just not sure where to start. These webinars are a great starting point because we do cover the most frequently seen roof systems, their compositions, their components, and really how to properly inspect these systems. So with that being said, these are going to be the major deliverables that you guys can expect to take away from these webinars. The first being collateral damage indicators. So we'll go over what you guys can look for when you're inspecting these systems and what the collateral damage will look like as opposed to, let's just say, wear and tear, things like that. So we'll go through those collateral damage indicators with you guys and specifically within each system so you guys know what to look for. The next would be the importance of weather verification and the tools for the assessment. So we'll go over not only what weather verification is, but what sources we recommend and kind of our process using it and how you guys can start implementing that into your procedures as well. And the next being roof system material and substrate composition. So we'll go over not only what these systems are, but their components within it and the composition. So we'll dive deep on all the components within these systems as well as the composition within the substrates and what you guys can look for when you're inspecting each of these components and each of these compositions and substrates. And then finally, inspection protocols and identification of insurable loss or damage. So going through in depth what our inspection protocols look like and how you guys can start implementing that into your process and being extremely detailed throughout this process. So again, the more detailed you are, the better off you're going to be in presenting your stance with the insurance company, especially with commercial roof projects, because there are a lot more components within them as opposed to residential roof systems. So really taking the technical approach and thoroughly evaluating these systems and going through the processes within that is something that we're going to cover pretty far in depth. So overall, these webinars are just to provide you guys with as much value as possible, even if you've been in the commercial roofing space, if you're just trying to learn a little bit more. Let's say you mostly focus on metal roofing, but you'd like to get into single ply systems. We cover all of those. So this is for everybody. Even if you're not currently in the commercial roofing space, this does provide a lot of value if your 5-year plan is to be in the commercial roofing space. So with that being said, you guys can reach out to our team directly to get signed up. You can reach out to our messages or comment below this video. You can also give us a call at 833-31-CLAIM or reach out at our website, hopepublicadjusters.com, and we will take care of sending over the registration link to you guys and getting you and your team signed up. So again, this is taking place Thursday, March 30th. So if you haven't signed up yet, make sure you do because there is limited availability per session. So again, we're super excited to continue rolling these out for new contractors in our community and in our pipeline. And this is something you do not want to miss out on. So we will see you guys there Thursday, March 30th.